Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this short video I will show you how you can create a QR code or a barcode in LibreOffice Calc. Open Calc, click on Insert in the main toolbar and then on OLE Object in the drop-down menu. In the upcoming menu, click on QR code and barcode. In the Options menu, enter the URL or the text you want to encode. Select QR code or barcode and click on OK. Check the result. In case you encrypted a URL, for example Google, and if you have a code scanner on your cell phone, you can test the code right away. That's all for today's short video. I'm happy if you liked it. I'm happier if you subscribe to my channel. As always, your comments are welcome and I will answer quickly. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.